Grand risings, or good morning, whatever you prefer to say. This is your natural mystic medicine man, and this morning I want to talk to you about the white Panicle Aster, which is what you're looking at right here. Now, it kind of resembles chamomile. That's because they're both in the Asteraceae family, which is one of the largest families of plants in the world. They all have daisy-like flowers. If I can zoom in here. Can't get a good shot, but that's okay. There you go. They all have daisy-like flowers, and most of them have medicinal benefits. Okay, this white panicle aster is or was used by indigenous people to treat nosebleeds. It was also used to reduce fevers, and that's important in a time like this. About to go into cold and flu season. It's important to have these types of plants in your backyard or natural pharmacy. And it's also used to treat wounds. So you can make a salve out of it, place it directly on the wound. We have quite a bit of plants here in our backyard pharmacy that are used. So you could use these in combination with those plants, or if you don't have those other plants, such as plantain or aloe, you can go ahead and use this on its own. This is your natural mystic medicine man, bringing more good news from nature. I'm going to talk to you soon. Peace and guidance.